Okay, we're going to see how to activate off-road mode in a Touareg 7P, the rns850 navigation system. So first you have to have the green menu turned on, which you have to do through your Vagcom. So if you don't have a Vagcom, you're not even going to be able to do the second part of this. So I'm going to skip going over turning on the green menu because that is easily found on YouTube. Just type in Touareg green menu activation. You go in your Vagcom and it's one click. So once you do have your green menu turned on, you will be able to do the step next, which a lot of people are confused about. So first I'm going to show you what it looks like stock, where you do not have the feature enabled. So in your navigation, you go to your nav, and then you can go to destination, and we're back to the screen that I was just showing a second ago. You click extras, and here we only see that there's two options. So when we turn on off-road navigation, we'll see a third option that'll show up there, and it'll say waypoint navigation. So I already have my green menu turned on. I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. Pushing these two buttons, green menu going in. My car is a 2015, by the way. So you go to diagnose here at the bottom, then you go to coding, then you go to internal modules 1 and 2. And this is what it looks like stock, at least for my car with navigation, right? Then you turn this so it's enabling it, even though it's turning it off. And you can just exit by clicking setup. Now, sometimes it works without having to reset. So here it's not showing up. So what you got to do is do a hard reset, or really a soft reset of the system. So you're going to press the 5 buttons, phone, climate, the knob, nav, and traffic, all at the same time, and it'll reset. So I'm going to see if I could do this one-handed. I'm not going to be able to. 1 second. All at the same time, and the screen turns black as it's doing its reset. So again, I needed 2 hands to put 2 fingers over here, and I used 3 fingers on the rest of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all at the same time. So it's doing its soft reset. Turn off the radio. It'll take a second for navigation to load. Okay, so we go into destination, extras, and now we have our off-road navigation. That it doesn't say off-road navigation, it says waypoint mode. I think that's where a lot of people get confused, that it's not showing up. But this is, oh, I missed it. This is the new feature. This is your off-road navigation that you can go in and start clicking around and figuring out. So that's how you turn it on.